What's up, guys? Tommy here from Green Rhino Project, and I got something for you guys that a lot of you have been having to try to do yourself, and you're just not liking it, right? You're just not liking your website because that's not your thing. You just want to be cleaning carpets, right? You want to learn the process. You want to learn how to get that phone to ring. The last thing you want to do is get on there and build a website, and maybe you don't have any experience in any of this stuff, and you're just not computer literate at all. So even though you bought my course, even though you went down the curriculum and I taught you how to build your own website, hey, let's just face it, it isn't for everybody, right? So what are you going to do if you bought my course and you went through the lecture on how to build a website, but you don't want to do it? Naturally, you're going to hire somebody to do it for you, right? So now if you're a Green Rhino Academy student and you don't want to do that, well, hey, I'm here for you, okay? But it ain't for free. And for anybody else out there on YouTube land that has a carpet cleaning business and they're not really happy with their website, well, I got your back too, all right? So now I'm offering websites, all right? This is another service that I'm adding to my brand, I guess you can call it, Green Rhino brand. Green Rhino Digital Services is my latest, okay? And it's been going well. I sell the AI agent. It takes care of all your social media communications. It's your little salesman on remote control. Answers your phone, right? We'll even give quotes, right? Or what I do is I go ahead and, well, I have my strategy for mine. But you can always go down and check out the little example one I have on my website. Link below. But websites are somebody's, I don't know, a nightmare sometimes. You know, you don't like, you're not happy with it. It's on page 20. You don't know how to get it to page 1 or even close. So what you do is you hire somebody for, I don't know, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 plus to build your website. Good news for you guys. It's not going to cost you that much if I do it for you. All right? So I'll build you a website. This one right here is a 3-page website. I know it looks like if you look in the upper right-hand corner at the menu, there's 4 there, but that's a Google reviews. That's some extra, right? That's going to link straight to your Google review page, so somebody can give you a review. Or there's other things we can, whatever you need it linked to, that's what we can do. If you don't want that period, we can take it off. But your main pages are going to be your home page. Okay, so this is the home page. This is a sample website that I can build for you, and it's going to check all those boxes as far as professional, as far as SEO optimized, search engine optimization. So what that means is if you got a website on page 20 and you want to get it on page 1, you have to optimize your website so that Google can recommend it. It's got to know that you provide services, right? And there's techniques and there's things you got to do inside the website into the back end that gets that done. Now you can pay somebody $1,000, $2,000 a month, which is, I think, is a going rate to do this for you, right? The basics of it. Or with me, I go ahead and optimize your website for SEO. So you got to jumpstart right from the get-go. And you can literally just probably let that run, and it's going to move right up the pages. Depending where you're at, is a matter of how long it's going to take to get to that page 1. All right, so if you're in a big city, it could take you longer. But don't get discouraged, guys, because Just because there's 50 carpet cleaners in your area, not all of them are doing these things, right? You can't just assume they're all doing these things. So don't get discouraged. Do what you need to do as a professional. Optimize your website, have it optimized, and let it do its thing. Okay, so like I said, optimized. All right, so this is just a general layout of what I can do for you. Okay, website. You got reviews here. Right below here, I would go ahead and put your direct, like for Google, right? You'd see a live feed for your reviews there, which is a great selling point for customers. You know, some before and afters and stuff like that. You got question and answers. Customers have the same questions all the time, right? How long does it take for your carpet to dry? You know, what service do you? So we address that, and that's also really good for SEO. Okay, so that it's a good landing page, right? And for this particular landing page, what we're doing is we're offering a 10% discount if they book online, which is great, and that's what I focus on in my business is online booking. All right, I have my AI agent on 24/7, and I have online bookings that happen sometimes in the middle of the night. I wake up in the morning and I have a job booked, right? So yeah, it's all about strategy with the AI agent and implementing online booking, which I really recommend online booking, guys. Yeah, it takes a little bit of setting up, but it really makes life easy. Okay, and the way technology is getting nowadays, and everybody's getting so used to, you know, getting online, and you know, it's just going to be more and more in demand. Actually, you're going to almost have to provide that, all right? Or people are going to be, what's that? They don't even have online booking? The heck? It's like ordering a burger without. Oh, you don't serve fries? That's how it's going to be. All right. So over in services, okay. So online booking here again, a little bit more about each service, and pay attention to the description of each service, all SEO optimized. Okay, I'm not going to get in how to do that, but I'm just letting you know I'm going to optimize your website when you buy a website from me. It ain't going to cost any extra. Okay. Yeah, general layout. You know, good looking website, trustworthy. It's got all the information. You got the contact, all right? So they can contact you, right? And if you wanted to go over here, I got it on this one. I got a tab about Google reviews. They click that and go straight to Google review page. They can read it or give you a review. All right, so this is a simple 3-page website. I priced it at $500, guys. That is nothing compared to what you're going to pay somebody else to do a website for you. Right. All right. There are people that got websites that are really funnels. They're a one-page landing page that they think's a website was not going to get you anywhere in the SEO. You're going to stay on page 20. You know, you need pages, you need information, and it needs to be a website, not a funnel landing page. Okay, landing pages are great for advertising, right? If you have a special going on or something like that, and you know, it's great for that. But if you want to be looked at as a serious business, you better have yourself a website. Anything else I can talk about? Oh, as far as functionality of my websites, there's a lot we can do with it. Okay, as you can tell right down below here, we got a chat widget. If you don't like building websites, if that's not your thing, if you're gonna hire somebody else, well, you might as well just hire me, especially if you're a Green Rhino Academy student, right? And then what I would do is do an ongoing maintenance for you. So if there's a picture you want on there, some new before and afters, some wording, whatever. I'm there for you on that too. So I got ongoing support with that through my Green Rhino digital services. Let's see, what else can I point out here? Okay, so yeah, so this is the basics, guys. If you guys want to get a website, right down below, all my videos, I have a link. It's called Green Rhino Digital Services. It'll take you to a landing page. And there's going to have information on the website. You can purchase it straight there. And then we'll go ahead and get on a call and get the information I need from you. And we'll get the ball rolling, all right? We'll get you, if your website's just not professional, at all, and you're just looking for better, little effects and stuff like that, well, I'm here for you, all right? See you in the next one.